This one, it's a definite integral. First thing we want to do is integrate it. So the first thing we want to do is make that a u. So when I integrate or derive this, you just get 1/2 dx. Now some people will mess up here, again, because don't I just basically have to get rid of dx? Because isn't this now 4 to the u? So I got to get dx by itself, so don't I multiply both sides by 2? Do you see how some people will mess up there? You multiply both sides by 2, you now have dx equals 2 du. So your new integral, I put the 2 out front, from -2 to 2, 4u du. Again, 2 du replaces dx, and I just took the 2 from the du and put it out front. That is not a 4, that's a u. What's the integral of ln u? Sorry, of 4 to the u? It's awesome. Yeah. It's just going to be 4 to the u over ln 4. Now, I'm going to leave this as a u. So if I leave that as a u, what do I have to do to these numbers? I have to change them. So, if this is a 2, correct? What's 2 divided by 2? Isn't that 1? So isn't that my new top interval? And the bottom one, I'm plugging -2, so -2 over 2 is -1. So what I did is, I'm leaving it in terms of u, and I'm changing my interval. Now, could I have plugged u back in and left my interval? Yes. Know how to do both ways. Either way works on the test. Okay. So, 2 out front. We're going to plug in 1. So it looks like we're going to have 4 to the first over ln 4. Because 4 to the first. Okay. Minus 4 to the negative first over ln 4. Is that it? Do the top minus the bottom. It's always f of b minus f of a, capital F. F of b minus f of a. And from there, a little bit of possible simplification. What I see happening possibly is let's distribute the 2. Possibly, let's just see what happens. If I distribute the 2, what it looks like I'd probably have is, just to do it, 8 here over ln 4. Is that okay? And here, won't that 4 drop to the bottom? Are we cool? Can anything else simplify? Now, could that 4th come up here? Or could I just cancel out to 1/2? It's kind of weird, like, they both work? What? Yeah, you could do either one. So you can make this a 6. I would rather leave this be ln 4 here. And just do this. Make that a 1 and a 2. And then if push came to shove, I mean, this is just a number. I'm just trying to simplify it in different ways. So I would actually, I'm just going to bring it all together. I'm going to multiply this one by 2 over 2. So I think I'm going to put 16 minus 1 over 2 ln 4, which is 15 over ln 16. Now, why did I do all that? You don't have to do all that on a test. You probably would actually even be good here as long as you bring this negative power down. Got it? I'm just showing you different ways of manipulating. It's important to see it over and over again, different ways of manipulating.